Love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, chrome mirror caps, universal garage door opener, bed liner, heated front driver and passenger seats, HD radio, dual zone climate control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.